Maxie boy. Let me get up, let me get up, let me get up. Okay. Let me see your face. Let me see your cute little face. What's up, Max? How you doing? Do you want the camera, Max? You want the camera, Max? Huh, Max? Huh, Max? Huh? Okay, Max. I was about to got up from here because that's trying to scratch me, and I know how you are, Max. You love to scratch people, and I don't like that. Okay, dude? Like, most of my scratches on my hand, like when I last time my hand, scratch my hand, and I try to pet you, but I don't like that. So, I'm not gonna do that again. You remind me of Tom from Tom and Jerry, that cat. So look at your eyeballs. I'm gonna get. Look at his, he has yellow eyes, and Tom has yellow eyes. Look at the gray, got the white fur and everything else. She's perfect. Look at that flesh. I know you want to spend some time with me right now. This is the greatest opportunity to spend time with me and you. So, I'm kind of loving it. Cute. I love you. You love me. We are a great family. I don't know where I got that from. How's Pearl doing? Wait, right there. How you doing, Pearl? Pearl, why you keep doing that, Pearl? Pearl, are you dead? Dead? Bro, get up from there, man. Oh no. Stop looking at me like that. Do that one more time. Oh my god, this is so blurry. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, that's pretty creepy, you know. You're creepy, you know that? You know that, Max?